Hi guys, welcome to Candid Corner. I'm Brenal. We have a guest tonight who's going to talk about fashion and his styling game and all of that. He made a remarkable performance this year in a movie called White Tiger. I think you already know who it is, but wait around a little bit to find out who that is. Okay, now Adarsh, welcome again.
Thank you.
I'm gonna ask you a few questions about fashion and like with a funny twist to it and like the situations to it, and I wanna understand what is something that you would do or wear.
Okay.
In a situation like this, okay?
Okay.
I wanna know what is an outfit that you'd wear to an ex's engagement party.
I'd wear the clothes she had gifted me. I mean, just because I really value it. Because I have all the things that I was gifted, like in terms
It
of
also
clothes
sounds
or-
like a poke.
No, I would do it because I treasure whatever I was given. Not as a poke, not as
But
a
to her
jab.
engagement party.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Fair enough. Okay. What would you wear to meet your dream director?
I would regular clothes.
Who's your
jeans,
dream director though?
Anurag Kashyap and Vikramaditya Motwane.
Oh, fab.
Yeah.
They seem to be chill people also. It's
Yeah.
not like something like you have to like suit up to like whatever.
I mean,
Not a vibe.
I would wear the same thing even if I would have to meet somebody hectic. I would still
Correct.
wear like jeans and.
What would you wear on the red carpet if fashion police did not exist? Are you someone who would like, if like they didn't like dissect every part of what you're wearing?
Yeah.
Are you someone who would like maybe dress like Loki, or are you
I'd dress
more?
Loki.
You would dress
I'd
Loki.
wear like really loose shorts and a loose t-shirt and chappals.
On the red carpet.
If there was no consequence.
Yeah. What would you wear to a friend's success party when you know the movie was not good?
I would, I'd wear a white kurta and a white pajama. I guess
That's
so.
a funeral.
Yeah. I mean, a death of a film.
Well done. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
You've killed it in this.
Thank you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This was a little funny, but I hope at the end of the day, you found out a few things that you could have learned about fashion and picked up from Adarsh and use in your daily life. And let us know if you do. Until then, see you soon. Hey guys, welcome to Candid Corner. My guest tonight is taking the millennial relatability game to another level. Keep guessing who he is. We're going to have a conversation with him about fashion, all the tips and tricks that you need. Hi Agastya, how are you?
Great, how are you?
What's going on?
Nothing, I missed 3 classes, my mom's gonna kill me.
Well, I'm very proud of you. Which one do you enjoy more? This or your classes? Your professors are watching.
This. I mean, I guess the professor also will agree with me. Probably this, yeah,
Okay, fab.
definitely.
No, I wanted to ask you about a few things about fashion and like because you're also in front of the camera all the time.
Yeah.
Are you like someone who like heavily invests when it comes to like finding like a style or a trend or whatever and going with it?
Yeah, so basically what I do is I go on Instagram and Pinterest. Like whenever I want to try looks, I'm on Pinterest and Instagram, like where I just see fashion. If I like something, I like try it out of what I have in my wardrobe already.
What do you think is like 3 outfits from your wardrobe if you had to select one? Select 3.
Select 3.
Like your go-to.
Full black.
Huh.
The classic full black. Second would be like a white pant, pink t-shirt, and like white shoes,
Yeah.
white kind of Nike shoes. And a third look would be leather jacket, like kind of what I'm wearing right now.
Yeah. What about like who's someone who you take fashion inspiration from?
Somebody I would like to dress like in the future, some of his looks would be Siddharth Batra.
Yeah.
Definitely, because like his fashion's always out of the box.
Okay, now I have these few quick questions. What is an outfit that you would wear for an ex's engagement?
Fitted tux, looks good, like nice shoes, nice watch, rings. Yeah, just a very fitted tux where I look really nice.
Okay, now imagine tomorrow you're going to Palladium, okay? But you don't want anybody to recognize you. What would you wear?
I'd wear a hoodie, I'd wear sunglasses, and I'd wear a cap.
Imagine a friend of yours. They have this digital show that they're doing, okay? And they're throwing a success party for it. But you know it's bad, okay? But it's a success. They're throwing a success party. What would you wear to that?
I'd probably wear like a plain white t-shirt, black pants, and black shoes. A very monochrome casual outfit, like not put any effort behind it.
Fab. Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking around. Please let us know if you found some good tips and tricks in fashion for you guys from me and Agastya. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hi guys, welcome to Candid Corner. I'm Brenly Abraham. My guest today is a creator, a content creator who's killing his creation game with a poker face. Guess who is? I'll see you on the other side. Hi Dave, what's happening?
I'm just chilling. I have college and I'm releasing music. I'm having the time of my life actually.
You're vibing.
Yeah, I'm vibing.
Fab. I want to ask you a few things about your fashion because also like I feel like you're involved in this whole fashion part of your life also.
Yeah.
What is like? Are you someone who keeps up with trend and like what's in style at that particular point in time and stuff like that?
No, I don't keep up with trends because not every trend suits everyone. So I know when something doesn't
You're
suit
not on
me.
Pinterest like Agastya.
I am on Pinterest.
You are on Pinterest.
Yes, I am on Pinterest. Because it's a really good place to like
It is.
get inspired.
Yeah. From your wardrobe, if you had to pick 3 outfits that you would like the most, what would be the 3 outfits be?
So like from 16 hours of the day, I'm mostly in pajamas and my sweatshirt.
Yeah.
So that's like my go-to. But when I go out, I like to have some colors.
Yeah.
So I'd buy a colorful sweatshirt and some black pants.
Yeah.
And I've recently got into shoes because I never really understood the concept of spending. But then
Yeah.
you can invest in like certain shoes.
Yeah.
So I'm good at Air Jordans and
Oh, they're fun.
Yeah, plain white shirt, black jacket, and yeah, black pants.
Oh, perfect. What would you wear to an ex's engagement party?
I'd wear the same thing that her husband is wearing. The exact same thing.
Well, I love that. What would you wear if you went to like a place, okay, and you don't want anyone to recognize you, and you feel like there could be a place where like people could actually recognize you? What would you wear?
I would call up my friends, put on some makeup, look like a completely different person. Yeah, because my
You'd
friends
be a
are
drag
really
queen.
Yeah, why not? You know what?
Fab. Now tell me this thing where either Tarni, Tanisha, Agastya, Alina, or Archit has had a show okay, somewhere. They're throwing a success party, but you know the show is shit.
Yeah.
What would you wear to this party?
I'd wear a school uniform. It's as boring. So here, just to show you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you got some interesting fashion tips and tricks from Dave. Use it and let me know how it goes for you. Hi guys, welcome to Candid Corner. I'm Brenil Abraham. We're going to discuss fashion today with my guest, who's an interesting voice of reason and logic among the millennials already. Guess who it is? I'll see you on the other side. Hi Tarni, how are you?
Hi,
What's happening?
Great. I'm great. College and content creation is all I'm
Together?
at. Yeah.
Fab. I have a few questions. I want to know a few things about you and your fashion and all that because I think you do a cool job. You already have like some makeup stuff going on. You have a few outfit stuff going on, your Instagram and stuff like that. Are you someone who sort of invests a lot of time particularly into finding out what is going on in terms of the trend and what's in style and all of that stuff?
So I feel that's a part of my content creation, like because
Yeah.
I have to a lot of times keep up with the trends and
Yeah.
like, but I'm not the ones who like follow it outside social media, not too much.
Yeah.
If there's something I totally like completely, then I'll wear that.
Fair enough. What's your 3 go-to outfits if you had to like pick one from your wardrobe?
So I have this like red satin dress with like a slit on it, so I would
Yeah.
definitely keep that in. And then next would be like a loungewear,
Yeah.
like very comfy like joggers and stuff. And another one would be like a this, I think, like a skirt, like
cool
to show
vibe.
some skin.
Yeah. Now, what's one outfit that you would wear to your ex's engagement party?
I would definitely go for something hot, for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Like it'd be probably like an Indian, like with like a lot of skin showing, and
Yeah.
then like a huge ghagra.
With a revenge board and
Yeah,
all of that.
it's a
like
revenge.
Abs.
Yes.
Fat. I appreciate this. What would you do if, like, imagine tomorrow social media validation didn't exist and like comments didn't exist, people didn't have any opinion about what you're wearing? What is something that you'd wear?
I'd probably walk around in loungewear only.
Yeah.
I feel like the most comfortable thing. I'd wear anything I want to.
Yeah.
Like any combination, no color, nothing, whatever I find, grab it, wear it, move out of the house.
Yeah. Fine. Yeah, perfect. Imagine one of your friends had a show, okay, and they're throwing a success party for it, but the show is very bad. You realize that you watched it shit. What do you wear to that party?
I'll wear something like super low key. I'd be like, maybe I just don't like, want to be too associated with this. I'm like, yeah. I just like low key, like nobody captures me. I was like, my jeans and my t-shirt. I'm like, hi.
Fab. Well done. Thank you. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also hope you got some interesting fashion tips and tricks from Tarini. If you did, let us know. And I'll see you in the next one.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.